Hey everybody, how about some guitar? Not really doing anything right now. Thought I'd do another video. How about a big scale? How about some 4-note per string scales? This seems like that'd be kind of a fun thing to do. Let's do 3 of them. One of them is going to be really, really easy. We're going to just take 4 semitones in a row. I'm starting at the 8th fret. This is actually going to end up being like a true chromatic scale that you can play 4 notes to the string. It's going to involve some position shifts, but it's strangely satisfying. Everybody knows this exercise where you play 4 notes to the string and stay in position. It's not really a chromatic scale. In order for it to be a chromatic scale, all semitones, you got to put some position shifts into it. So I'll have 8, 9, 10, 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stay in position because of the tuning difference. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the only time you're not going to change positions, is going from the G to the B. And then 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2 octaves, chromatic scale, slowly. Quickly. Slur it. Go downwards. There it is. There's a full 2-octave chromatic scale, 4 notes to the string. All semitones. C, D flat, D, E flat, E, F, and so on. There's no semitones missing. Now, maybe another one we could do might be a whole tone, half tone scale. And this can be played 4 notes to the string too, and it's kind of a neat thing to do. You're going to play, it's a bit of a stretch, a whole tone, a half tone, and a whole tone, kind of on one hand. So that's fret maybe 8, starting at C, 8, 10, 11, and 13. So you're going to just keep that hand position, and you're just going to, this time instead of shifting down the neck in semitones, we're going to shift up the neck. That'll actually provide you the semitones that are in that scale. So it'll end up being this slowly. And that's how many octaves is that? 3 octaves. Okay, so that's a good one. And anyway, that's kind of a neat one. That's a diminished scale. Just kind of a neat thing to have. You can walk that around. I think it's probably best if you start it a little higher on the neck. If you start low on the neck, the stretches kind of get a little scary. And maybe one last one, we'll do a major scale. Or better yet, let's do a minor scale. It'll kind of be a major scale in the middle of it, but I'm going to add a couple of notes on each side. So it'll go from the bottom of the neck to the top of the neck. So there's going to be a couple of strings here that have more than 4 notes on them. I might do E, F sharp, G. This would be in the key of G major. But if we start on E, it's really an E minor scale. So a whole bunch of notes on that. I got like 6 notes. Open, 2, and then I shift up 3, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 9, 10, 7, 9, 10, 12, 9, 11, 12, 15. Big shift here up to position 12. 12, 13, 15, 17. 14, 15, 17, 19. And maybe that 14, 17, 15, you can put some finger slides in there. That's the right from the bottom, right to the top. So it's kind of a big pattern that goes diagonally this way across the neck. Whatever. I don't have the patience to get the right kind of sound together and get that slurring together, but Whatever. Kind of fun to noodle around with anyway. I don't have a lot of gain on, so I'm kind of tired. I realize I'm sort of a little choppy, but that'll be for you to practice.